So today's topic is charging high versus charging low. What are the benefits and drawbacks of charging high, and what are the benefits and drawbacks of charging low? So in the market, there are four kinds of people. There is people who only go for free stuff. Okay, you give a free PDF guide, they will get it. You give a free document, they will get it. You give a free course, they will get it. You will give a free painting, they will get it. And if you give a free workshop, they will get it. If you give a free program, okay, a course, they will get it for sure. And they will love you, they will praise you, they will say claps, and they will give comments and likes, and they will ask questions, and they are very goody people, right? But they feel inside that they don't deserve to pay for their learning. They feel that they don't deserve to pay for whatever value you are giving. They basically feel that they only care for free stuff. I used to be a people long time back, and no pun intended, but these people are not good for your business. If you create any kind of free products, even if you are creating a free product, a super free product, then also make sure that it is a very high value, so that that free product itself is attracting a lot of good quality people. Free people are not good for your business. And no matter how much free content they get, they will not feel that, I can purchase from you. So this kind of people exist, and you don't have to care for them. You are running a business. If you are a professional artist, you are running a business, and you have to care for your business as well as you care for your clients. So next, talk about the next category, people, which is better than the free people. They are called as cheaper people. Cheaper people are the people who only care for cheap stuff. As long as the product that you're selling is cheap, they will go for it. And they feel that, I love cheap stuff. And I have met a lot of them. After being a free people for a long time, then I came into the category of cheaper people. And I used to start loving cheap stuff, roadside vendors, slippers or shoes from the roadside, or dresses from the roadside. And I used to enjoy that. Okay. And then I used to compare, wow, this is so cheap. It looks so expensive. Oh my God, I want to go for it. And then I used to simply pick it. Okay. I got a lot of jackets from roadside when I was in Seoul, South Korea. Okay. There was a small market called as Namdaemon, and there is another one called as Dongdaemon in Seoul. And I used to go there and purchase cheap dresses right from the footpath, like right from the loads of clothes on top of one another. And I used to go for that, right? And I used to believe that I love cheap stuff, and it is so good. It is just, maybe somebody has worn it once or twice. What's bad in that? I can simply wash it and I can wear it. Okay, that was my mindset that time, and nothing wrong in that. But these are the people who are not good for your business. Okay, there is absolutely nothing wrong in those people. But if you want to make a big deal out of your business, if you're art business, you want to thrive, if you want to make huge amount of money as well as fame, name, reputation, then cheaper people are not going to help you make your business stand tall. It is always good to have more and more people know you, like you, and trust you. But when it comes to brand building, you have to understand that you cannot be the seller for the cheaper people, as well as you cannot be the seller for the premium people. You have to choose one of that. Okay, so the next type of people are called as feeble people. Okay, now there is a difference between a cheaper people and a feeble people. Cheaper people will say that I love cheap stuff. They don't care about the quality at all. Like, it doesn't matter. No matter how good is your quality, it just don't matter to them. They say that I love cheap stuff. As long as I can get that for cheap, I will go for it. If it is not cheap, I will say I cannot afford and I will simply not go for it, right? So that is called as cheaper people. The next is feeble people, F-E-E, feeble people. Now, feeble people are those people who only care for the fee. So they will ask the first question. So let's say a person likes to join my online course. They will say, Meeta, what is the fee of your online course? Okay. It really doesn't matter how good is my online course. It really doesn't matter how much they can learn from my online course. It really doesn't matter what results I can give for them. It really doesn't matter. What matters is the fee affordable to them? They are not like cheaper people. They will not say that, oh, I only love cheap stuff. No. So what they say is, can I afford whatever is the price? Okay. So that is like feeble people. So they are very price sensitive. So they will purchase something expensive if it is there in the budget. Okay. So that is a type of mindset. Okay. Feeble people. They are called as feeble people. I only try to serve to premium people. Now, don't get me wrong. Don't think that premium people are the people who are rich. I'm not saying like that. Premium people are the people who only care for the value, only care for what they are going to get in return. If they feel that whatever price they are paying is lesser than whatever they are going to get back, then they are willing to pay. Even rich people can belong to feeble people or a cheaper people or a feeble people. And even a person who has got no bank balance can be a preeble people. A preeble people is the person, is the mindset, is the attitude which says that I deserve the best. Okay, and I will figure it out how to get the best. Right? A lot of my students, when they joined my online program, they figured it out how to get the money, but they always felt that, oh, I deserve the best. Means they used to feel that they deserve the best. And that's why they joined my program. Okay. If a person anyway says that, can you give me 10% discount or 20% discount? No, that is not who I am. Right. So you have to always understand that your business is a representation of who you are. In your real, like inside yourself, who you are, you will always attract the kind of people who you really are. So let's say I know watercolors. It is not like I will attract those people who also 100% knows watercolors. No, but I love watercolors. So I will indirectly attract those people who also love watercolors. If I feel that I really deserve people, so I will indirectly attract people who also feel that they deserve people. They deserve a premium teacher. They deserve a high quality teacher, a high quality mentor. I will indirectly attract the kind of people who I am in my core. It will not happen that in my core, I am a feeble people or a cheaper people or a feeble people, and I end up attracting people. Why? Because, we indirectly, subconsciously, we say something, or our body language says something, or we write something, or we post something, or we make decisions which shares our true identity. The qualities of people are, number one, they feel that they deserve the best. Okay. Whether they have the money or not, they feel that they can arrange the money to get the best that they want. Okay. They feel like that, right? At some point of time, I also felt like that. I felt that I deserve the best quality people to work with. I deserve to wear the best quality dresses. I deserve to do the best for myself, for my kids, for my family. Okay, so that is a mindset, you can say. Okay, then people feel that they need to get the result fast. So there are people who don't care about the time. So no matter how much time they have, they will always say that I don't have time. I could not do this because I don't have time. I cannot paint because I don't have the time. I cannot get up early because I was sleeping late. So they are all excuse makers. But people feel that they deserve the best. So in people, if you have some qualities, like if there is something wrong, you can easily change that, because deep inside they believe that they deserve the best. So if you tell them that, don't do this is not suitable to you because you are like people, you do this is exactly what people think like, they will easily get it. It is very easy for them to get the result. It is easy for you to give them the result because they want the result. They badly want the result. Okay. So I will give you an example. So let's say I have a watercolor course. Actually, I have. And I have got a people in my course. And I have got a people in my course. Now, people, they don't care about the best. They care about whether they can afford it or not. So they are not looking for the best results actually in their mind. What they're looking for, can they afford in their budget? Okay. Do you think even if that person comes in my course, I can teach them and I can guide them and I can mentor them and I can give them fabulous result? No, because they are not expecting it for the first time. On the other hand, a people person, if they join my course and they figure out, oh, I have to pay this much to Meeta, and they pay and they do whatever possible to make the payment. And now they feel, I paid quite a lot of money to Meeta. Now I deserve the best. And I want to get that result. Now that person is desperate to get that result. Don't you think that it is much easier for me to give them that result? Yes. Why? Because that person wants that result, isn't it? Okay, so it is much easier for a people person to get the result which you wanted to give, versus maybe you will not be able to give the same kind of results to people, cheaper people, and people. If you have never paid for learning, or if you have not got any kind of mentor, if you feel that it doesn't matter if I sell it for 1,000 or 5,000, I really badly need 1,000, so let's sell it for 1,000, even if my painting deserves 5,000, you will definitely get people and cheaper people, because your inner dialect is like that. Okay. On the other hand, if you really think like a people person, if you feel that, oh, wow, this painting really deserves this kind of money, at no point I'm going to sell it to a person who is not willing to pay me the money. I deserve to work with only high-paying clients. If you feel like that, in that case, you will get to sell it at a higher price. You get to work with those who you are. If you are a people, you will be working with people, and people will get attracted towards you, because that is the vibration, that is the kind of vibration you're sharing in the market all the time. What is the benefits? High price versus low price. Now let's say that you are getting $5,000 for your online course. For earning 10,000, you have to sell to 2 people in 1 month. Isn't that possible? If you are very good in sales, if your product is really good, okay, don't you think that getting 2 people is much easier than getting 100 people? So let's say your monthly expenses is 7,000 and you really want to make some good savings. So let's say you need $10,000 per month, and you are having a $5,000 program. You have to sell to 2 people in 1 month. On the other hand, if you have got a $35 program, so for getting $10,000, you have to sell to 286 people. Don't you think selling to 286 people is way difficult than selling to 2 people? So first of all, by having high-priced product, by becoming a premium person yourself, and by creating premium value offer, you are actually making your life much easier. So you are bargaining with the quality of your life because of the quality of your clients. But understand that every price point has customers. People do pay a huge amount of money for what you are selling. The only thing is that, are you able to attract them?